Good morning, students. This is Murlidhar, lecturer in chemistry. Welcome to all of you. In organic chemistry, we have completed nomenclature. Today, I shall start new topic, isomerism. I am going to explain concept of isomerism. See, what do you mean by isomerism means? Actually, isomerism is a special property, versatile property. In other words, is a flexible property exhibited by most of the organic compounds apart from other compounds in our chemistry bible. So from that what we can understand, majority of organic compounds exhibit isomerism. Mainly isomerism is a part of two types: structural isomerism, stereoisomerism. So before going to understand, in order to understand the complete picture of isomerism, I will explain definition of isomerism first of all. So everyone should learn definition of isomerism. See students, isomerism means the existence of two or more structures having same molecular formula. Existence of two or more compounds with different structure and configuration having same molecular formula is called isomerism, and the compounds are called isomers. So this isomerism is mainly divided into two types: structural isomerism, stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism means organic compounds containing same molecular formula but exhibiting different physical and chemical properties due to difference in their structures. That phenomena we call as structural isomerism, and the compounds are called structural isomers. This structural isomerism again subdivided into five types. First one is chain isomerism, second one is positional isomerism, third one is functional isomerism, fourth one is automerism, fifth one is metamerism. So this is one section, structural isomerism section. Again, the second main classification of stereoisomerism means their compounds are having same structures, same molecular formula, but they are differed in their configuration of the atoms or groups around the carbon atoms. Particularly that carbon we call as chiral carbon. and also termed as chiral carbon. That means there is a difference of group of atoms around the carbon in the molecule whose containing same structure, same molecular part. Such type of isomers we call as stereoisomers, and the phenomena is called stereoisomerism. This stereoisomerism, and also called configurational isomerism, again subdivided into three categories. In that, the first one is conformational isomerism. That isomerism we call as rotational isomerism, and the isomers concerned to rotational isomerism are called simply rotamers. Then second isomerism, geometrical isomerism. It is also called as cis-trans isomerism. Advancedly we call as JDE configuration. The last one is optical isomerism, and also called mirror isomerism. All those stereoisomerism we will discuss in higher classes. Okay, students, just I give you complete notes with proper way of explanation. Please you write down, look at the board. Our concept is isomerism. Our concept is isomerism. We are discussing isomerism. Here the definition of isomerism: the existence of two or more organic compounds, with the same molecular formula, is called isomerism. Such compounds are called isomers. Such compounds are called isomers. See, students, this is mainly broadly divided into two types. See, here I give you nutshell isomerism mainly divided into two types: spectral isomerism, stereo isomerism. This spectral isomerism is also called constructional isomerism or constitutional isomerism. This stereoisomerism, in other words, we call as configurational isomerism. See, just now I told you again the structural isomerism divided into five types: chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, tautomerism. Tautomerism. See, among these five, the last two, metamerism and tautomerism, nothing but pseudo isomerism. This stereoisomerism again subdivided into three types. Conformational isomerism, conformational isomerism. This is also called rotational isomerism. Rotational isomerism. Rotational isomerism. And those compounds, whatever the compounds exhibited by conformational isomerism, those are called rotamers. Then the second one is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. This is restricted isomerism. What I am telling here, geometrical isomerism is restricted isomerism and also called cis-trans isomerism. Cis-trans isomerism and also called JDE isomerism. Recent concept is called JDE isomerism. Then the last one, third one, optical isomerism. Optical isomerism, which is also called optical isomerism, is also called mirror isomerism. So regarding stereoisomerism, we will be studying in depth in higher classes. Of course, here we have the definition, very easy to understand. But regarding our intermediate course, we have structural isomerism, definition of types of structural isomerism with examples. See, just now I told you structural isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula but exhibiting different physical and chemical properties due to difference in their structures. Concerned to chain isomerism, these are exhibiting different properties with same marker formula due to difference in their carbon skeletons. Here, positional isomerism exhibiting different physical and chemical properties due to difference in their position of double or triple multiple bonds or position of the substituents or position of the functional groups. Regarding functional isomerism, this is an important one. Here, these isomers exhibited due to difference in their functional group having same molecular form. For example, C2H6O, the marker formula, which is having two types of two category of compounds. One is ethyl alcohol and another one is dimethyl ether. Both are having same marker formula, but they are different in their functional group. So they have to show different properties. That's why those isomers are called functional isomers. Come to metamerism. Here these metamers arise due to difference in their attachment of different alkyl groups. Different alkyl groups, either of the specific group. Either of the specific group. Which we will easy to understand. When I give you example, very easy to understand. Don't bother, don't worry. Tautomerism. Here, this is the special phenomena of isomerism, pseudo-isomerism. Here what happens in tautomerism, particularly this tautomerism will be appeared in keto-enol molecule. That's why this tautomerism we call as keto-enol tautomerism. If the tautomerism present in between nitro-AC form, that is called nitro-AC tautomerism. Here what happens in tautomerism, particularly in enol molecule, let you take enol molecule, there is a shifting of pi bond and proton taken place with each other within the molecule to form stable keto compound. That means here there is a shifting of proton and pi bond taken place one with each other for attaining extra stability. So that rearrangement we call as tautomerism. Come to stereoisomerism. Here compounds are having same molecular formula, same structure, but exhibiting different physical and chemical properties due to difference in their arrangement, spatial arrangement of atom or group of atoms or groups around the chiral carbon. That isomerism we call as stereoisomerism, and the concerned compounds are we call as stereomers. This is divided into three types. Here conformational isomerism, it is clearly appeared in alkanes because in alkane molecules there is a C single bond C. It undergo free rotation. By that we are getting different types of forms. Those forms are we call as conformational isomers. Those are obtained by C single bond C free rotation. That's why those are called rotational isomerism. Compounds are called rotamers. Among conformational isomerism, there are main three conformers. One is fully eclipsed conformer, and another one is staggered conformer. In between eclipsed, staggered, there is another forms called skew forms. Again, these skew forms subdivided into two types: Gaussian 1,2, anti 1,2. All these things we will understand very clearly under alkane chapter. We will discuss that. Then geometrical isomerism. Here compounds having same molecular formula and same structure, exhibiting different physical and chemical properties due to restricted rotation of double bond, maybe triple bond. If it is double bond in case of alkenes or in azo compounds, we will see that. Such type of isomerism, restricted isomerism, we call as geometrical isomerism. If the same groups are present on same side, cis isomerism. In opposite direction, that is called trans isomerism. This is also clearly we will study under stereochemistry in higher classes. Come to optical isomerism. Here, optical isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula, same structure, but they are differed in the spatial arrangement of chiral carbon. It is also called chiral carbon, asymmetric carbon. By that, what happens? That molecular solutions having the ability to rotate plane polarized light either of the direction. That isomeric solution may turn towards right, may turn towards left. If light is rotated towards right, that is dextroisomer. small d isomer, notation that is represented by plus isomer, plus notation. If solution can turn the ppl towards left, that is called levo isomer, small l, notation minus isomer. So this optical isomerism, we have separate chapter in our higher classes, and also you will see in biomolecules also, and all those things we will study later very clearly. In next class I will explain one by one by taking different types of example. Stop here. Remaining part will continue in the next class. Students who can watch this video, please subscribe, share to others. Thank you. One and all.